and it's really that easy. Hey tribe, what it do? Look at me in my little braid up looking slightly fresh. I just want to show you how quick it is to install these Your Part units because I always get asked, how do you install them? How do you install them? And it's really that easy. This is my braid up of choice. I like it real simple, real exhibit-ish, and not too tight. Number one thing with your braid up, not too tight. If it's too tight, the clips are gonna go in, it's gonna create more tension, it's gonna hurt. It's not what you want. So you want them to be fairly loose, nice and comfortable. You see that movement there going on? Or y'all know when I'm real lazy, sometimes it's just a slicked ponytail. But to be honest, if you do want to protect your hair, the clips are gonna go better into some braids. Here's the one I wear often. Now, a trick is that the older it gets is the better. As you see here, look at it. It's messy and it's good. It's good that it's messy. You will find your units, the older they get, it's the better they get. They look more natural, honey, okay? So, beat it boop. Okay, we got these clips here on the side, right? They're gonna go in here. And these clips at the top are going to line up like this, right here, okay? Now, I personally don't like to put these in first. You could if you really wanna like over exaggerate it. So if you do, you gotta make sure they're nice and high up so that you have enough room up here to put your clips in. Because what these ones do is help you with the tension so that it's not all dependent on right here. So if you do use this first, exaggerate it up and put them in like so. Then your next step is to line up this area with your part so that your part is showing. This side, I'm gonna take the clip out. So this will be an example of doing it without the clip first. This clip down here, secondary. And this side will be an example of like, I put the clip in first and then clipped it in. So I like to go, and so when you first actually get your unit, what you wanna do is like back comb this area. But every time you wash her, don't get rid of the back combing. You wanna keep all this back combing in that mess, that matted area that builds over time. It's the one time that being messy is good. Clips right there, open. I'm lining them up. Oh, and another tip. I do not put it right here. Look at that nail, golly. I don't put it right here. I leave some room. So I'm gonna put it, I aim for around here so that it can fall. And especially if you don't have a big forehead. Like I don't have a big forehead, so I usually need to like give myself a little room. Slide your clips in, bop, beep. Then I usually go and find that on the side and put her in. Boom! Same thing on this side. Oop, clips in, bop, beat-oop. And it's just it's growing from my scalp. Don't tell me it's not. Also too, this unit gets lighter over time. So in the beginning, when I first colored it, it was a little bit darker and it kind of just gets lighter and lighter over time, which is nice because it evolves. Like the curls evolve and become their own, the color sets in and becomes its own. All right, y'all, let me know if you want me to go live, comment below. Let me know if you have any other questions about these delicious Your Part units. All right, y'all. Bye.